Yoga for the beginner. One of the amazing things about yoga is that despite the great benefits that it produces, it requires no cost. There is no specific yoga training equipment that one has to use in order to obtain the desired results, and there is no such thing as the perfect environment required for practicing yoga. All this is a direct consequence of the fact that yoga is more than a practice, a state of mind, and a lifestyle. That is why your will, as well as your beliefs and attitudes towards this philosophical path, are all that actually matter. Moreover, a balanced and healthy diet based on natural food is a key issue for preparing yourself for your first yoga session. What we eat can strongly affect both our mind and our soul, so it is crucial to mind what we eat. Even though you do not need a specially designed place for performing your yoga class, make sure, when electing the room where you will be holding the class, to choose a place as far away from distractions such as radio, street noise, television as possible. The place also needs to be clean and quiet, and if possible, ventilated. A blanket is the accessory that you absolutely need in order to gain comfort when carrying out the exercises and the meditation, as they are performed in either sitting or lying positions. But, however, a towel or a mat could work as well. In what concerns the clothes you are supposed to wear, try to select something very comfortable and loose, such as training suits, sweatpants, and a t-shirt, shorts, or loose pajamas. Some people would rather wear no clothes at all, but nevertheless, most practitioners put something on, especially if the yoga session is not private. It is also highly recommended to have an empty stomach before starting your yoga exercises. As a general rule, 1 or 2 hours after a main meal is the ideal time for practicing yoga. As breathing is a key element in yoga training, do not forget to also clean your nostrils and your throat. In case you have not decided which could represent the best moment of the day for carrying out your yoga session, you have to know that both morning and evening practices can result very beneficial to your body and mind. Thus, performing the exercises in the morning can contribute to your good shape for the whole day, as it improves your vitality level. On the other hand, evening yoga practices helps inducing a restful and peaceful sleep. Your yoga sessions should not exhaust you. Do not hesitate to take a break when you feel tired. Actually, short breaks are common between difficult exercises. Keep in mind that as little as 15 minutes of correct yoga practice can produce marvelous results on your body and mind. As a final idea, try to remember that the most important thing when you're practicing yoga is your attitude and your desire to discover the incredible sensations and experiences this ancient philosophy can provide. Thank you.